Hello everyone, welcome to Fairy Factory, where every recipe is crafted with a touch of fairy magic. In today's magical journey, you'll watch delicious creations come to life from rich chocolate and creamy caramel to refreshing matcha, juicy blueberry, sweet cherry, golden mango, and many more. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the satisfying ASMR. If you love magical factories and relaxing sounds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let the magic begin. Thanks for watching. See you in the next ASMR. Bye bye.